Tiffany just pulled me aside and told me that the reason she went for me was because if she went for me, or she went for Derek X, that I felt comfortable. And she apparently talked to X, and X said that I'm good. That's the reason why she went for me. She just told me upstairs.
That's cute. That's cute. I still don't care. I mean, you can take with that what you want from it, but it's okay. I'm glad that you're good with X, though. That makes me happy. And I felt that you were good with X, you know.
She just told me that. I just probably did you tell that?
She shouldn't have told you to go after him. She shouldn't have told you to go after him in the beginning.